Hello viewers, welcome to another episode of Knowledge Sharing. Before we continue, like also like and follow our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comment and share our video for more interesting topics. Today we are looking at question number 11 from 2023 September WASSCE examination called Mathematics Ghana, and it says a rectangular tank of side 4 meters by 8 meters by 11 meters has the same volume as a cylindrical tank of height 7 meters. Calculate the base radius of the cylindrical tank, taking pi as 22 all over 7. So, solution, it says the volume of the rectangular tank is the same as the volume of the cuboid. So, volume of a cuboid equals to V equals to length times breadth times height, which is equals to 4 times 8 times 11. So when we multiply this out, we have volume of a cuboid as 352 meters cubed. This question says the volume of the rectangular tank is the same as the volume of a cylindrical tank. This 252 meters squared is the same thing as volume of a cylindrical tank. And we are asked to calculate the base radius of cylindrical tank of height 7 meters. The volume of a cylindrical tank, equals to pi r squared h. Let's substitute pi and height into this to find the value of the base radius. So we have here as volume of the cylindrical tank as pi r squared h. Volume of a cylindrical tank that we says is the same thing as volume of a rectangular tank, which is the volume of the cuboid, is 252 meters squared. So we have 252 equals to pi as 22 all over 7 times r squared times the height. The height is 7 meters times 7. So we have here, 7 can go here, 7 can cancel here. So we have this as 352 equals to 22 r squared. So r squared equals to 352 all over 22. So when we cancel this out, we have 16. So r squared equals to 16. Therefore, when we have r squared as 15, we can square r squared as 16. We have square root of both sides, square root of 16. So we have square root of r squared equals to r, which is square root of 16 equals to plus or minus 4. So in this case, we are looking for a positive value. So r, which is the radius, will be equals to 4 meters. So this is the value of the radius of a cylindrical tank of height 7 meters. Number 12. Abudu can do a piece of work in 6 days and Efa can do the same work in 3 days. What fraction of the work can both do together? So we have solution. We say let y be the work done. Therefore, Abudu can do the whole work, which is y, in 6 days. Y all over 6 days for Abudu. Then Efa can do y all over 3 days. So the question says what fraction of the work can both do together? So both of them can do together. We can add the work that they do together. Abdul and Efa can do both together as y all over 6 plus y all over 3. Therefore, Abudu and Efa equals to y all over 6 plus y all over 3. When we take the LCM of this, we have 6. 6 divided by 6 here, 1 times y, we have y, plus 6 divided by 3, 2. 2 times y, we have 2y. This is equals to 3y all over 6. 3 cancel here 1, 3 cancel here 2. Therefore, Abudu and Efa can both do the same work as 1 all over y. This is the fraction of the work that both of them can do. Then number 13, describe the locus L in the diagram. So we have this diagram, angle x, z, y, and has a locus at L. We are asked to describe the locus, that is the line L. So this line, as we see that the angle yzx has produced this angle here, let's say theta, and if this theta here is 60 degrees, and this line is bisected by this line L, so if this line is bisected, that means the angle will be divided at two equal parts. Therefore, the L here is the division of this angle x, z, y. Therefore, the L, the locus L in this diagram is the bisector of angle x, z, y. If this happens and this divides this angle into two, then this theta, one of this angle will be 30 degrees and this other one will be 30 degrees because it divides the angle at two equal parts. For the answer to this question, the line L is the bisector of angle XZY, which is the locus of this angle XZY. Number 14. The base radius and the slant height of a solid cone are 8 cm and 14 cm respectively. Calculate correct to two decimal places each volume, taking pi as 22 all over 7. So we need to calculate the volume to have solution. The volume of this cone, we have a cone this way, this is a cone, and we have this place as the height to the center of the cone and with a radius. The radius says it is 8 cm. This place is 90 degrees. So this is the slant height. The slant height here, and this is the height. We are asked to find the volume of this cone, and we have given slant height as 14 cm. We are not given the height. In the formula of calculating the volume of this cone, where we have V equals to 1 all over 3 pi r squared h. So in this case, we have this as the formula of volume of a cone, 1 all over 3 pi r squared h. In this case, we don't have the value of h, but slant height is given. We cannot use the value of slant height to substitute in the formula for the volume of a cone. We need to bring out this triangle. If you look at this cone, it has a triangle this way, 90 degrees, 8 cm, and this is the slant height, 14 cm, and this is the height. We can use this triangle to find the height through the two sides of this triangle by using a particular theorem formula, which says that the longest side of the triangle, which is 14 squared, equals to h squared plus 8 squared. This is the same thing as 196 equals to h squared plus 64. Then 64 can come here, and we have 196 minus 64 equals to h squared. Therefore, h squared equals to 196 minus 64 is 132. Therefore, h equals to square root of 132, which is equals to 11.49 cm. So we have our height of this cone as 11.49 cm, and the slant height is 14. So we can now substitute that into this formula, which is V equals to 1 all over 3 pi r squared h. V equals to 1 all over 3 times 22 all over 7 times r squared, which is 8 cm. R squared is 64 times the height, which is 11.49. If we calculate all this, we have V equals to 770.32 cm cube. So this is the value of the volume of the cone corrected to two decimal place. Number 15. In a hall, there are 175 persons. 12% are children, 56 are men, and the rest are women. If one person is selected at random from the hall, find the probability that a woman is selected. So we have solution. In every probability, we have event all over the sample space. In this case, the sample space here equals to 175. And The children is 12%. It's going to be 12% of the sample space. So 12 all over 100 times 175. When you calculate this, we are going to have 21. Therefore, for women, we have 21 as for children, and 56 are men. So we can therefore calculate, subtract all these from the sample space, which is 175. So for women, it's going to be 175 minus 21 plus 56. So this is the same thing as 175 minus 77, and is the same thing as 98. Probability of selecting a woman is going to be the event, which is 98 all over the sample space, which is 175. And when you calculate this, you cancel this, you are going to have 14 all over 25. So this is the probability that a woman is selected from this question. If you like what we are doing here, follow us on our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel for the remaining part of the question. Thank you.